What's up guys, welcome to Sampath Tech, and today we got our hands on the Boya BY-M1 omnidirectional condenser microphone. So without further ado, let's go into the video. Inside the box, we will get a beautiful Canon case with Boya branding on it, and we got some instruction manuals, and inside the case we got the Boya microphone and a small windshield and collar clip and 3.5mm to 6.35mm converter, and also we got LR44 battery to power up the condenser. So, the Boya microphone works with smartphones, cameras, audio recorders, and PC, etc. And we also got a dedicated sliding button to switch between smartphone and camera or PC, which was convenient. The microphone has an omnidirectional condenser, so this helps it to record voice from 360 degrees, which was great. And coming to noise cancellation, these are great for the price point, but can't be given full assurance. If you want a dedicated noise cancellation collar mic, there is Boya BY-M1 Pro, which can do your job. Now let's test the microphone. So now I'm recording with my phone's mic, and now I am recording with the Boya, and the audio is unedited. I am thinking that you found a difference. Also, the Boya can compete with Rode microphones, which are best in the market, but not to full extent. So it's a great value for money. So guys, before you leave, please leave a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. And lastly, a sub to my channel makes a day for me.